Hey everyone, this is Eddie enjoying my vacation here in Ho Chi Minh City. So today guys, ay samahan niyo akong maglibot ng Ho Chi Minh City. So nagbook kami ng ticket sa Klook app to have a sightseeing day tour here in Saigon, Vietnam. So nagbayad kami ng $11 per person. So yes, ginamit namin yung Klook app para mag-book ng ticket kasi like I said, mas mura mag-book sa Klook app. And that includes the hat na rin guys. So pwede kayong mag-pictures sa mga tourist spots na included sa package nyo. So every 10 minutes is mag-stop yung bus and pwede kayong bumaba and then babalik na rin. Pero mas prefer ko guys, if you will try this city bus tour is gawin nyo siya sa gabi kasi mas maganda yung lights, yung buildings, and sobrang init kasi yung ano namin tour. So parang hindi kaya. I mean, if you can, then why not? Pero mas maganda talaga kapag gabi kasi mas maraming lights and yung mga building is may ilaw and then hindi siya mainit. Pero ayan, sulit naman kasi nag-enjoy kami and then sobrang ganda ng mga tourist spots na inistapan namin and then marami talaga silang mga historical places. And then guys, yung $11 is included na yung headset kasi gagamitin nyo yan para makinig sa narrator, guys. And then after ng tour namin is kumain lang kami sa isang restaurant and then kinuha ko yung beef and kimchi rice na may egg. Sobrang sarap niya guys and yung flavor niya is grabe, it's really good. And then first time ko mag-try ng kimchi rice. So ayan, fast forward na nga guys. Pag kinagabihan is pumunta kami ng bar. Malapit lang yan sa hotel namin. And look at how they prepare yung drinks. Sobrang ganda. And then masarap yung drinks nila dito. So yung in-order ko is pina colada. Same din sa BF ko. And yan, makikita mo talaga kung paano nila prepare yung drinks mo and most people na nasa bar ay mga foreigners, guys. Then the staff here are very friendly and ini-explain talaga nila kung ano-ano yung nilagay sa drink. And you know what guys, I think this is one of the best pina colada I had. Kasi sa Pilipinas, I had pina colada naman pero they are just okay. So ayan, sinerve na and then sobrang sarap talaga guys. And it was only like $7 per glass. That's it for today. Bye!